Hi everyone, it's me, Ro, doing a quick tutorial today on how to add an extension and how to use Symbaloo. So first we're going to start off with how to add an extension. A couple of ways that you can access the Chrome Web Store. You do have to be using the Chrome browser. Is you can access the Chrome Web Store right over here in the left hand corner if you click your rainbow waffle or your 9x9 square. And you have sort of depending on your screen, looks like a little shopping bag, but in this case it's just half of the Chrome emblem there. You could also type into the Omnibox here. You could type in Chrome Web Store as well on there. I'm going to go ahead and click that there. And so you have a couple of different options: extensions, themes, apps, and games. I'm going to make sure that that is blue for extensions. I'm going to type in an extension that I know that I need to add to my Symbaloo today. Thank you, Mo. Here is Docent EDU. As you see here, it is blue saying add to Chrome because it has not been added here to my Omnibar yet. So a couple of ways or a couple of things that you need to think about when you add an extension is it has a little puzzle piece. Make sure that before this was blue over here on the left, you have reviews that you can look at so far as a 4-star rating. Over here on the right hand side, it will tell you exactly what that extension can and will do. So you can also share it to Google Plus or Gmail in that case here. What I'm going to do is sort of show you a double trick here. I'm going to add this extension to my Symbaloo instead of adding it to my Omnibox. Instead of me clicking here to add to Chrome, I'm actually going to highlight this URL right here and do Command C or Control C and go here to my Symbaloo. Now I already have an account and you can easily do that by going to symbaloo.com. I believe they have an EDU or education account as well that you can do. Symbaloos are just your bookmarks that are really nicely displayed. So all of these extensions that you see on my screen are all bookmarked, meaning you can click on it and it'll take you right to the Chrome Web Store where you could then download that extension onto your address bar. So I've already created my web mix here, and you can easily do that by clicking a plus sign here, and it'll walk you through on how to make a tile for your web mix. So I've already done mine here. As you can see, I have quite a few of them. I'm going to click on a blank tile here. It says add new tile. And I'm going to create a tile. I can also search or browse by category, but I already know which one I want to add. So I'm going to click where it says create a title. And like I said, Symbaloo is a way for you to bookmark any kind of web page or any web-based application or extension. And as I did earlier, I went and I highlighted this address here in the Chrome Web Store, Command C or Control C. Went back to my Symbaloo, and right here it says add the address of the website. So Control V there, or Command V. And there it is. It gives me the name of the title. I'm actually going to delete where it says Chrome Web Store on there. And it gives me an icon, except for some reason on my computer, it is not working. So I did something ahead of time, but I'm going to show you right now the step that I did. So it doesn't always have the Chrome emblem here. I am going to click on it so it shows that text because most people might not be familiar with it. I'm going to go down here where it says upload an image, but I don't have an image for it. So I'm going to use a fancy extension called Awesome Screenshot. Oops, click on it, and it says captured selected area. It's going to turn my cursor into a plus sign, graze out my screen, and then I'm going to select that image there. Hit capture, and so it took a picture of it. There it is. And this bar here, I could annotate it, I could highlight it, I could do whatever I wanted, but I just want the picture right now. Click done. And then I'm going to locally save it. I'm going to download it right onto my computer. I'm going to call it Docent edu, because that's the name of the extension. And I already have the PNG, so I'm just going to say yes, replace it. So I've already done this step, but I figured I'd show you. I'm going to exit out right here. It takes me right back to my screen. And now I'm going to go here and I'm going to upload an image. I'm going to choose the file, and it's going to show me right there. Click open, and then click this button that says upload. There's the image I want. Use selection to the tile, and now it's appear there, and it's replaced that Chrome Web Store image there. I'm going to click save, and there's my tile. Now, with all of my bookmarks here, I can go and just click on it, and it will now take me right to that extension within the Chrome Web Store. In fact, if I ever wanted to edit a title, I'm going to right finger click or secondary click, go here to edit. So as you can see, it doesn't show the name. I'm going to click here so it says bit.ly, but I'm going to get rid of that text that says Chrome Web Store. So it'll just say bit.ly right there. And there it is. Save. And there it is. I hope this tutorial was helpful. As I said, it was a quick tutorial. Please go ahead and like and subscribe and leave any comments below and let me know how I can help you. Thanks so much for tuning in.